of course, the formalities of our doctors, health professionals, and health workers, to whom we will forever be thankful. In due time, we shall express to them our gratitude in a more tangible way. When this crisis is over, in the meantime, I have directed the DBM and DOH to find a way to best compensate our health workers. You know, the last time I saw, we had a meeting, and I saw Andrea Domingo sa Pangkor. Sinabi ko sa kanya kung may pera siya. At sinabi ko, ibuhos mo yung pera nito kasi kailangan natin. So, Pagcor alone donated 2 billion for inibigay sa task force for the fight against COVID. Yun, pera yung nasa line agencies na nasa kanila na nandyan na yun. Ito pang dagdag. I hope na may pera pa tayo. I am sure we have. We have the money. Kasi sa administrasyon ko to, sinasabi ko sa iyo, may pera tayo. We've been able to save, and we have been very sparing in yung mga gastos-gastos natin. We do not have any expenses in government that are unnecessary, or yung mga nakikita ko na projects which are bound to fail, talagang kinakat ko na. Sinasabi ko na wag yan. Maybe because without being really maghambog ako, hindi naman ako, dahil matagal kasi akong mayor at nakikita ko ang takbo ng isang bagay na yung, kung hindi karapat-dapat para sa gobyerno, pinuputol ko na kagad.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.